So the one of them that I saw was use and I always mess this word up, so I'll just say DE, denatured earth or demetitious earth is what I would call it. But anyways, I
No,
use
easy,
that with
is it,
resin.
Matt?
What? What?
Apparently, none of us can
Ooh.
speak tonight.
No words. But you used it and you mixed it with resin, and then you poured it out, and then you were able to use it almost as a to apply it to things to make a texture out of it. What made you come up with that idea? Because that was just I thought that was inspirational.
Oh, thank you.
Oh.
In undergrad, my professor taught us that if you mix diatomaceous earth with acrylic paint, it thickens it and creates a texture. A lot of my body of works were having to do with different textures and stuff like that. And he also was an artist that does such work. And he brought in this big bucket of diatomaceous earth, and I actually didn't even know it was for pools. I was like, oh, this is cool. Crushed seashells or something like that. I think that's what it is, or something else. I don't know. Obviously there's chemicals, probably, right? But yeah, it thickens acrylic paint and it can like create a texture with it. So I figured I was trying to think of a way to color the epoxy and create a texture with it. Obviously it didn't work out as well as I hoped. I think it made it too thick. Like I made it too thick. I mean, there was no rule book on how much DE you put in epoxy. So I was like,
Right.
oh, it's just like you're
I,
baking.
I like the way
I
I like the way it turned out. You were able to put the waves in and kind of move it. I like the way it turned out, though.
Thank you.
But
Yeah.